Do you have a specific person in mind that you want to be with, and do you feel like they're out of your reach or not interested in you? If you answered yes to these questions, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can manipulate your specific person using the power of your imagination and the teachings of Neville Goddard. You will learn how to create a reality where they are madly in love with you and want to be with you. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's actually very simple and easy to do. So if you are ready to learn, then keep watching this video till the end. Choosing your reality. How does this concept help you in manipulating your specific person? Well, it means that you can choose the reality that you want to experience with them. You can select the universe where they are already in love with you and they are faithful, loyal, and committed to you, where they treat you with respect, kindness, and affection. You can ignore the other realities where they are not what you want them to be, where they are indifferent, cold, or hostile to you, where they are with someone else, or where they don't even know you. You can shift your focus and attention to the reality that matches your desire. And by doing so, align yourself with that reality and manifest it in your experience. But how do you do that? And how do you shift from one reality to another? This is where the teachings of Neville Goddard come in handy. Neville Goddard was a mystic and author who wrote on the true meaning of the Bible and the power of the human imagination. He taught that the Bible is not a historical record, but a psychological drama that reveals the inner nature of man and the pathway to spiritual awakening and true salvation. The imagination is God, that we are all God incarnated as man, and that we can create our reality by using our imagination and feeling. Neville Goddard said that whatever you imagine and feel to be true, you will attract and manifest in your life. He said that you can use your imagination to construct a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire, and then enter into that scene as if it were real, and feel the reality of it. And you can do this in a state akin to sleep, where your conscious mind is relaxed and your subconscious mind is receptive. He said that if you persist in this practice, you will impress your subconscious mind with the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, and it will externalize it in your world. So, if you want to manipulate your specific person, you can use Neville Goddard's technique of imagining and feeling. You can create a scene in your mind that shows you and your specific person being happy together, having the relationship that you want, expressing your love for each other, or any other scenario that implies that you are already together. You can also make the scene as vivid and detailed as possible, and then enter into it with all your senses and feel their touch, hear their voice, see their face, smell their scent, taste their kiss. Try to feel the emotion of love, joy, gratitude, or any other positive feeling that you want to experience with them, and repeat the scene over and over again until you feel it to be real and natural. By doing this, you are selecting the reality that you want to live in, and you are aligning yourself with it. You are telling your subconscious mind that this is the truth, and your subconscious mind will accept it and make it happen. And you are also telling the universe that this is what you want, and the universe will respond by rearranging the circumstances and events to match your desire. You are trying to manipulate your specific person by changing yourself, by changing your state of consciousness, by changing your vibration, but you are not forcing them to do anything. You are allowing them to be who they really are in the reality that you choose. This is how you can manipulate your specific person using the concept of the multiverse and the teachings of Neville Goddard. You can use your imagination and feeling to create the reality that you want, and then live in the end result. Try to ignore the facts of the current reality and focus on the reality that you prefer and believe that you have already received what you want, and act as if it were true. Also, you can rest in the assumption that you are already what you want to be, and that your specific person is already yours. Imagination as a manifestation tool. Neville said that imagination is God, and that whatever we imagine and feel as real will manifest in our physical reality. He said that we can create any scenario in our mind and impress it on our subconscious mind, which is the creative power within us. Neville said that we can use any technique that works for us, such as visualization, scripting, affirmations, or revision, and the key is to feel the reality of our wish fulfilled and to persist in that feeling until it hardens into fact. Use affirmations throughout the day to reinforce my belief and feeling. Say things like, "She is mine, and I am hers. She loves me and only me, and she is always thinking of me and missing me. The best thing is she is loyal and faithful to me, and she is attracted to me and wants me." You can say these affirmations with conviction and confidence, as if they were already true. By doing these techniques, you were able to shift my state of being and align with the version of me that had her, and you will be able to quantum jump to the reality where we were together. This is how you can manipulate your specific person using Neville Goddard's teachings. Considerations in manifesting. But you see, manifesting a specific person is not as simple as changing your state or your self-concept. There are many factors that influence the outcome of your desire, such as the free will of the other person, the compatibility between you two, the timing and circumstances of your relationship, and the karmic lessons that you both need to learn. You can use SATs, affirmations, visualizations, scripting, and other techniques to align yourself with your desired reality, but you cannot force or control the other person to feel or act the way you want them to, and can only influence them to a certain degree. But ultimately, they have their own choices and preferences. That is why it is important to be flexible and open-minded when it comes to manifesting a specific person. You need to be willing to accept the possibility that your specific person may not be the best match for you, or that they may not be ready or willing to be with you at this time. Also, you need to be able to let go of your attachment and expectations, and trust that the universe has a better plan for you. Are you manifesting a specific person because you truly love them and want to share a meaningful relationship with them? Or are you doing it because you are lonely, insecure, or needy? Or just you're doing that because they are the best version of themselves? Or are you projecting your idealized image of them? These are some questions that you need to ask yourself before you pursue your desire. Because if you are manifesting a specific person for the wrong reasons, you may end up disappointed, frustrated, or hurt. You may also miss out on other opportunities and people that could be more suitable and fulfilling for you. So, my advice to you is to focus on yourself first. Work on your self-love, self-esteem, and self-worth. Cultivate your passions, hobbies, and interests. Expand your social circle and network. Live your life to the fullest and enjoy every moment. Be grateful for what you have and what you can offer. Be happy and confident in yourself. When you do that, you will naturally attract people who resonate with your energy and vibration. You will also be more open and receptive to the signs and synchronicities that the universe sends you. You will be able to recognize and appreciate the right person for you, whether it is your specific person or someone else. And if you still want to manifest a call from your specific person, you can try the video that you mentioned. But don't do it out of desperation or obsession. Do it out of curiosity and fun. And don't attach too much importance or meaning to it. Just see it as a way of testing your manifestation skills and having a friendly conversation with someone you care about. Remember, manifesting a specific person is not a goal, but a journey that teaches you about yourself, your desires, and your relationships. So, what do you think about this? Comment down your thoughts right now. And before leaving, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.